Hey guys, welcome back. It's back again with another track by Perman this time. I'm actually really enjoying his Japanese tracks. So this time we're at Sekia Hills. Fortunately, I believe this is another track that no longer exists, and I believe it's been turned into a solar farm. But anyway, with that, let's jump in. All right, Sekia Hills and back in the Corvette. So let's just drive the layout first. So you can actually see it down the bottom there. So I'm just in the open layout. So there's all different directions and corners you can cut through. So the main layout is coming through turn 1 here, down to the bottom, and just having a little flick through this section. Come down to one of the first hairpins. And then up and around like the roundabout. So then you come up through the second section of hairpins. And then it just has, another one. And then one back onto the main straight. Alright, so let's see how we go with this. So second, third, flick, entry, see if we can keep it all the way down to the bottom. Feel like I'm off on the grass. So flick it through there. I then find these straights are a bit long to try and keep the drift going, but if you can get it right, you can make it. Too slow for third. So try and keep it out wide. Yeah, wasn't going to make that. I can try and use second, but then I find I go too slow. Second makes it easier though, but... Alright, we'll try that again. So third, hold it all the way down to the bottom. Shouldn't need to use too much clutch in this car, but I end up doing it anyway. Alright, see if we can do third. Alright. There's a roundabout section, see if I can make this. Come on, torque of the V8. There we go, it's better. Another hairpin. Oh, keep it off the wall. That was a better lap, so just keep third going. Up in the dirt. So there's all different layouts. I don't know if that's one of them or not. But keep it back through this section. Handbrake. Come on, V8. Oh, spun too much. I'm pretty sure I said it in the video of using this car, but the V8 makes it a lot easier to drive and can masks. Where you can make mistakes and the torque can just pull you out of it. Alright, that was a bit of a messy entry, so can cut through that section there. Just trying to hold third all the way, but it didn't work. Alright, I wonder what other sections we can cut through. Alright, I'll go down the bottom. So if I keep going down here, you can put it on the dirt. So back to second, and cut up here, which looks a bit steep to actually probably do in a real car, but in the sim, at least cars don't break. Just banging second limiter. What other layouts can we try? Over for the dirt. We'll just go take that one as a redo. Obviously just cut up through this section, straight through there. I think that's most of the cut throughs. So in the beginning I did find this corner, I don't know, it came up shorter than I thought. So you see the tires in the distance, and I thought that was kind of still the corner. I didn't realize that was the other end of it. And so one good thing about this track is this roundabout here. So come on, it's probably a good spot to practice if you're just trying to hold the drift. Kind of like a busy school. Just a constant radius. Like good for practicing throttle control and steering input. Got that wrong. But yeah, with all of Pama's tracks, it's modeled well. And the detail's good. Haven't actually been up through the pits to see if there's any extra. Alright, let's see if we can hold. Off in the dirt, keep it going. Cut through there. I wonder if I can cut through that section. See how that flows. Too slow for third. Should just be able to cut through around here as well. Oh, hit a bump. Come on, third. Go, go, go. Alright, what did I want to try? I wanted to not do that. That's not where I wanted to go. What have I done? Where am I? So I'm here. Thought I could cut through and make it around there, but looks like I can't. Alright, second, third. Keep third going. So I cut through, yeah, that's what I was trying to do. I don't know if I can actually hold that as a drift though, but keep it going in third. Second to the last corner. Try and build up some speed. Alright, hold third. Shave off some speed down the bottom. So how... Oh, too far to loop it. So yeah, all the different layouts do make this a fun course. Once again, it's a shame So I'm gonna, just missed. Once again, it's a shame that this track doesn't exist anymore. I don't know why, I just thought that was a thing in Australia about them closing down tracks for development. But I guess it probably happens in all countries. Alright, let's try. I'm gonna go off the track again. Alright, so if I flick it this way, can I keep holding that? I can, just messy. Have a couple more goes and then just do a 360. I really just want to get that section, but I don't know if it's meant to be drifted. Definitely turn one here, it's probably my favorite. Alright, keep this going, keep it out wide, just keep holding third. I got the back. Almost, one more try. Couldn't make that if I kept the back off the wall. Alright, just leave it in third, we got the torque, flick. Alright, shave off some speed. Now where's the right place to place the car? Maybe there. I need to try and get it out wider. Messy, but I made it work. So these hairpins are probably my least favorite section of the track. It just seems to be too much space between them. I try and link it properly. But yeah, turn one's good, and then you gotta shave the speed. Clearly hit the back there, so install it in first. I find I can make this distance here and if I can get this right, third, this isn't too bad. Come on, V8. I find it's not too bad. Maybe I'm just taking the wrong line. Keep that going. And I gotta keep it off that wall. Alright, one more full layout and I'm done. Alright, flick, third, so turn one, good, like it. Shave off speed. A little flick through here. Try and keep it off the wall this time and straight into the wall. Alright, we'll forget the wall part happened, but hold third. Couple flicks. Do like the roundabout, which I said. Good for practicing. Keep that out wide. If you get this right, which I'm too close to the inside. Just run off the grass. Keep it going, get it out. I'm gonna have to take it out of drift then, otherwise it would have slid into the wall. And install it on the last corner. Anyway, so that's a couple laps of Sekia Hills. Like I said, I do enjoy all Perma's tracks. They look good, I think they're modelled well. I do like this with all the different cut-ins and different options. Don't see this track used very often, but it obviously doesn't exist anymore, so a bit hard to be used. And once again, yeah, maybe it is happening all over the world. But I think it's a shame to see these motorsport tracks and venues shut down. But anyway, with that, thanks for watching, guys.